Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Prep World. If you are preparing for your IELTS speaking module, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will be taking up our IELTS speaking mock test series forward, and we'll be taking up a really interesting topic. So make sure you watch the entire video because we will be dropping in certain helpful insights in between that are going to make your answer jump from band 6 to band 8. So without any much ado, let's start. Today's topic is a really interesting topic. That is, describe a time you missed or forgot something important. So, let's get started. Hi, may I know your full name please?
Hi, my name is Anamika Sinhania.
Hi Anamika, I'm going to be your examiner for this IELTS speaking mock test. Let's start with your part 1. I'm going to ask you certain questions that you will have to answer. Okay, so tell me Anamika, do you often forget things here and there?
Sometimes, yes, especially when I'm juggling too many tasks. I tend to forget small things like where I kept my keys or what I needed to buy from the store. But for important dates or deadlines, I usually set a reminder.
Okay, what do you usually forget?
Usually everyday things like taking my lunchbox, replying to messages, or sometimes even birthdays if I haven't marked them down.
Have you ever forgotten an important appointment?
Once I missed a dentist appointment because I mixed up the date. I felt quite embarrassed, especially because it was hard to reschedule. Since then, I've become more organized.
How do you remind yourself of important things?
I rely a lot on digital tools, calendar apps, alarms, and sticky notes. They help me stay on track and reduce mental clutter.
That's a band 8 strategy. Giving examples to support your answer is actually the trick to make your part 1 better. Words like mental clutter, calendar apps are a strong choice of vocabulary that are relatable to your question. Now Anamika, we are coming up to your part 2. In this portion, I am going to give you a cue card that is going to have a prompt and certain question based on that. I will be giving you 1 minute of time to think over it and then you have to speak for 2 minutes. Okay, so let's start. Your cue card is, describe a time when you missed or forgot something important. You should say what it was, when it happened, why it was important, and explain how you felt about it.
A time I forget something really important was last year when I completely missed my best friend's birthday. It was on a weekday and I had been buried in work trying to finish a project with a tight deadline. Normally, I never forget his birthday. We've celebrated it together for years. But that day, I didn't even check my calendar or phone. I only realized 2 days later when I saw his Instagram post. I felt terrible. What made it worse was that he had always remembered mine and gone out of his way to make it special. So missing his felt like I had let him down. I called him immediately to apologize and explain the situation. Thankfully, he was understanding, but I knew it hurt him. After that, I created a system to set reminders a week in advance for important days. It was a small but powerful lesson in valuing relationships over work.
That was heartfelt and well paced. She completed an entire story. How it started, where it ended, how she felt, what she learned, everything was there in an answer. Use personal insights like these in your cue card to make your answer stand out. Okay, Anamika, let's move on to part 3, the follow-up discussion. Your first question is, why do people forget important things sometimes?
I think it usually happens when people are overwhelmed or distracted. Our lives are so fast-paced now, with so much going on, it's easy to overlook things, especially without a system in place to stay organized.
Do you think technology helps or worsens our memory?
It helps in terms of reminders and alerts, but it can also make us lazy. Since we rely on our phones to remember everything, we don't train our brains to retain information like we used to. So it's a double-edged sword.
Are people today more forgetful than in the past?
In some ways, yes. With so many distractions, social media, notifications, multitasking, it's easy to lose focus. Earlier generations may have had fewer tools, but they probably remembered things better because they had to.
In your view, what can people do to improve their memory?
They can try techniques like repetition, visualization, or linking new information to personal experiences. Also, a healthy lifestyle, like good sleep and a balanced diet, plays a big role in mental clarity.
That was a band 8 answer for sure. You make sure that your answer is structured, well paced, grammatically correct, and also cohesive in nature with the use of transition words. You will see how you're going to improve and take your band score from 6 to 8. So make sure you like the video, you subscribe to our channel, and keep an eye on all the videos that we are going to post. Till then, bye bye. you.